Hi, I'm Karen Williams and I'm an instructor at the Aromahead Institute. This blend is called the Relaxation and Healing Foot Bath. This foot bath blend has nourishing essential oils and carriers. There's an oil in this blend that you may not be familiar with, and I will reintroduce this to you as we go on, and it's called Kunzea. The blend has 2 drops of Kunzea oil. So the first thing that we do for our foot bath blend, and this is for an individual foot bath, is I will add my salt. This is a Himalayan pink salt. It's a small grain, but you can use any size of grain that you want in this blend. So I will tare my weight scale and we are going to add 1 ounce of the pink Himalayan salt. You can easily double this recipe as well. There we go. 1 ounce. If you get just a little bit more, it's nothing to worry about. So the next thing that we will add is our jojoba oil. And the jojoba oil is an important ingredient in this recipe as it binds the essential oils and the oil together, creating a skin-safe foot bath soak. So we'll put 15 ml of our jojoba oil. My graduated cylinder actually goes up to 25 ml, so I will put 15 ml in. It's very easy to measure, and if I get a little bit more, that's no problem at all because it's just a foot bath. So add that to my salt. And then 2 drops of our Kunzea oil. Now, Kunzea comes from Australia and it has a very beautiful, slightly herbaceous, slightly camphorous aroma to it. It is very much like Eucalyptus globulus in that it's very lung opening, but it's also fantastic for bruising and for sore muscles. Perfect for after a long hike. So 2 drops of our Kunzea. And then the next oil that we will put in is 2 drops of Lingling. Now, Lingling is a very rich, honeyed floral aroma. It's really intoxicating and it is extremely relaxing. I love to put this in evening blends. It relieves deep-seated tension in muscles and emotionally it's very opening for the heart. 2 drops of Lingling. This is a complete Lingling. And the next oil we have is 2 drops of sandalwood. Now, sandalwood is a very sweet, woodsy, and sensual aroma. So it's long been used in spiritual ceremonies. It creates an inner peace. So sandalwood actually brings peace to our entire systems, and it's really wonderful for skincare. So it's really soothing in this blend for our feet. It also discourages unwanted bacteria, and it's an antifungal and very incredibly supportive to our respiratory system. So not only are we helping our muscles, but we are also supporting our respiratory system. So 2 drops of sandalwood, and sandalwood is a thicker oil, so sometimes it takes just a second for it to come out. Okay. I take a glass stir rod or a stainless steel spoon and I just blend it all together. This is such a relaxing enjoyment to do at the end of your day. And I often will do this at the end of a long hike when your feet are kind of sore and tired. If you don't plan on using this right away, I like to just store it in either a glass or a pet jar. I have a specific routine that I use when I use the foot bath. I have an old family heirloom that I fill with really warm water, and then I add my salt into the water, stirring it well, and then just put my feet in and just relax. This is also a wonderful thing to do for a family member or a friend. Now we have our beautiful relaxation and healing foot bath. Use this blend 2 to 3 times a week before bedtime for a sensual healing and clearing relaxation session. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.